and you can see that it's fairly constant, which might not look like a big win, but it looks like a big win if you take into account that while we did that, we like 10x the amount of essentially application service that we do with that. So it's quite a good engineering feat that we were able to keep the total consumption essentially as low as it is by optimizing all of these things that I pointed out. Without our developers, and that's like a big benefit, without our developers worrying about that day to day, because this is an optimization that the platform team was able to do on its own without involving the software engineers too much about it. Of course, getting into the point where like we can drive additional savings now, we have to involve the developers. It's about collaboration between the platform team and the developers at the end of the day. And one of the things we want to do is run more workloads on spot instances and like increase essentially our ratio of how much spot instance compute we use, like versus like committed use on virtual machines. And that is not only a thing that's going to be good in terms of giving us flexibility to run during hours of lower carbon emissions, but also it gives us flexibility to save cost at the end of the day. Yeah, that's an interesting angle that both of these things are like so well aligned. Yeah, maybe that also gives you more power to your GreenOps initiatives if you can sell it to management by also saying, hey, we're going to save cost at the same